morning friends, this is Kriti Keshri and today I am going to teach you about dimensional formula, which is a topic of class 11. So what is dimensional formula? You know there are 7 physical quantities which are written here: mass, length, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity and amount of substance. In previous video we have learned about their units and now we are going to learn that how can we calculate the dimensional formula of each physical quantity. These basic or fundamental quantities have dimensions. As you can see here, for mass we write M, capital M, and we use this square bracket for writing dimensional formula. So mass का dimensional formula capital M and we use this square bracket. For length there is capital L, for time capital T, electric current capital A, temperature theta, luminous intensity CD, small cd, and amount of substance we write mole. Okay, so now we will learn that how can we calculate any dimensional formula for physical quantities. So I have taken here 10 examples and I will try to make you understand about that how can we calculate dimensional formula on each of them. What is the dimensional formula for area? So first one is area. And we know the formula of area is length into breadth. Okay. So for length we will write L, and you know breadth is also a kind of length. So for this also we will write L, and L cross L is L to the power 2 is the dimensional formula for area. Okay. Second one is volume. Volume, for volume we know the formula L into V into H. So we will write L into L into L. Okay. So this is L to the power 3. Okay. Don't forget this square bracket. This is very important in dimensional formula. While you are writing the dimensional formula, you can't write like this. This will be wrong. This is correct. Okay. Next one is mass density. So you know the formula for mass density? Mass density, and we know the formula is mass upon volume. For mass we write mass के लिए for लिखते हैं M, capital M, and volume के लिए अभी हमने डिराइव किया L की पावर 3. ये पावर ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा, this will be, this is in denominator, तो ये यहाँ जाएगा तो L की पावर -3. So this is the dimensional formula for mass density. M L की power -3. Okay. Now come to the next, velocity. So what is formula for velocity? Velocity is displacement upon time. And you know displacement is a kind of distance. Displacement upon time. Displacement क्या है? एक तरह की distance है. So we will write L, and T is time. For time we write T. Okay. So this is L T power -1, and we will use this square bracket. So this is our velocity. Okay. Now acceleration. Next one is acceleration. What is the formula for this acceleration? A is equals to change in velocity So we can say simply it as velocity. Change in velocity is also a kind of velocity. Okay, so either we can write change in velocity or velocity upon time. So we have calculated the formula for velocity, Lt power minus 1, and for time we write t. Okay, so this is L t power minus 1. Okay, sorry, power minus 2. This one will also go there. So t to power minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. So this is our acceleration dimensional formula. Next one is sixth number is force. Force. For calculating dimensional formula, you must be knowing about their formulas. That what is formula? Jैसे acceleration, change in velocity upon time. So you can see that everywhere every physical quantity has their own formula, and we have to use them for calculating what is dimensional formula for them. Okay, so this is m into a, mass into acceleration. मास के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं m, and what is dimensional formula of a? If you don't know, you can calculate it here. You know this is velocity upon time. Velocity upon time. So if you are not knowing what is the dimensional formula of a, so you can calculate it here. Okay. So this is m. Okay. Into velocity के लिए L t power minus 1 upon t. So this will be m L t power minus 2. Okay, so this is the dimension formula for force. Now next one is pressure. So do you know the formula for pressure? Pressure. So for pressure, force upon area. Force upon area. This is very simple and very easy, but the basic thing here is you must know about the formula. That if you have to calculate dimensional formula of P, you should know this. Okay. So we have calculated dimensional formula ml t power minus 2, and what is area's dimension formula? L square. Okay. So m L की power minus 1. Minus 1 कैसे हुआ? 1 L is here and 2 L is here. So we can cancel 1 L from here and we will get 1 upon L. This is L power minus 1. So I have written it here. Okay. So m L power minus 1 and t power minus 2. Okay, so this is for pressure. Okay, next one is momentum. Next one is momentum. Momentum is P, mass into velocity. For mass we will write capital M. Okay, and for velocity L t power minus 1. So this is m L t power minus 1. Okay. Similarly, you can calculate for work and energy. Work and energy has same dimension formula. Their dimension formula is same, and for power also. Another physical quantity which I want to tell you about is charge. Amount of charge. Okay, that is represented by Q. This is amount of charge. The formula for this is Q equals to IT. Q equals to I into T. What is I? Electric current, and for electric current what we use? A, and this is time. Q equals to dimensional formula क्या हुआ? A T. Similarly, we can calculate dimensional formula of any physical quantity. Okay. So I hope you have understood that. Okay. Thank you.